A rugged budget-friendly smartwatch with a built-in flashlight? Sounds too good to be true, but is it actually worth buying? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the HT26, a smartwatch that makes some bold promises for its price tag. I've been testing it out, and I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and whether you should spend your money on it. Let's jump in. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. The packaging is pretty basic. On the front, you've got a picture of the watch, and on the back, some features and small print. Inside, we get the HT26 itself, a magnetic charging cable, and a user manual. First impressions? It feels solid. Definitely not like a flimsy, cheap plastic watch. The design gives off a rugged, sporty vibe, clearly aimed at people who want something durable. The silicone strap is soft and flexible, so it should be comfortable for all-day wear. The side button feels nice and sturdy, and on the back you'll find the health sensors and charging pins. Now that it's in my hands, let's take a closer look at the design and materials to see how well built it really is. The HT26 definitely leans into that tough outdoorsy look. The case is made from reinforced plastic with a metal bezel that gives it a slightly more premium feel. It's not a luxury smartwatch, but the build quality is solid. No rattles, no loose parts. On the back, everything's neatly laid out. The health sensors, magnetic charging pins, all well integrated. The screen is large enough, though it's not AMOLED, something some people might miss. Still, colors look decent and brightness is good enough for outdoor use. One thing I really like is that it has a physical button in addition to the touchscreen. If you've ever tried using a fully touch-only smartwatch while running or wearing gloves, you'll know why this matters. The crown-style button works smoothly. The silicone strap is comfortable and breathable, with a standard 22mm connector, so you can swap it out for any strap you like. Overall, the HT26 nails the rugged but comfortable balance, especially for this price range. Now let's talk features. Flashlight. Yes, it actually has a flashlight built in. It's not going to replace your phone's torch, but it's handy for quick moments in the dark, like finding your keys or lighting up a path for a few seconds. Health tracking. It comes with a standard set of budget smartwatch sensors, real-time heart rate, blood oxygen tracking, blood pressure, though as always, don't treat it as medical grade accuracy. Sleep tracking tracks your total sleep time and quality. Accuracy isn't perfect, but that's pretty standard in this price range. Sports modes. You get multiple sports modes like walking, running, cycling, and more. No built-in GPS, but if it's connected to your phone, it can use your phone's GPS for route tracking. Notifications and connectivity connects via Bluetooth, so you can see calls, WhatsApp messages, and social media alerts. You can't reply from the watch, but it's still convenient for quick glances. You can also control music and get inactivity reminders. Battery life. The manufacturer claims 5 to 7 days of normal use and up to 30 days in power saving mode. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on how many features you have running. Other extras, stopwatch and timer, alarm and sedentary reminders, customizable watch faces via the companion app. Feature-wise, it's impressive for a budget watch. But a smartwatch is only as good as its connection to your phone. So, how does this one hold up? The HT26 pairs with your phone via Bluetooth, letting you receive notifications from WhatsApp, calls, social media, and more. You can't reply from the watch, but you can see the message content, which is handy for quickly checking if something's important without taking your phone out of your pocket. To manage the smartwatch, you'll need the FitCloud Pro app. From there, you can sync health and activity data in real time, set up app and call notifications, customize watch faces with different styles, update the firmware whenever the manufacturer releases new versions. It's compatible with both Android and iPhone, but like most budget smartwatches, some features are limited on iOS, such as replying to notifications or full integration with certain apps. In daily use, the connection is stable as long as your phone stays close by. But like most watches in this price range, it can disconnect if you move too far away or if there's interference from other Bluetooth devices. In my tests, the connection stayed solid within about 8 to 10 meters without obstacles. Pairing is quick and easy. 1. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone. 2. Download the app from the Play Store or App Store. 3. Create an account and power on the watch. Search for the HT26 in the app and pair it. 5. Set up your notifications and preferences, like alarms and reminders. You can also control your phone's music, get sedentary reminders, and even use the watch to find your phone if you misplace it. Overall, the HT26 offers solid connectivity for its price. It pairs easily, offers a good range of phone integration features, and stays stable in normal use, though stability always depends on your environment and device. We've gone through everything the HT26 has to offer, but what's the best and the worst about this smartwatch? Let's break it down into pros and cons so you can have a clear picture before deciding to buy. Pros. What the HT26 does best: affordable price. A very budget-friendly smartwatch considering all the features it offers. Rugged, sporty design. Its tough look makes it ideal for anyone looking for a durable watch that's still comfortable for daily wear. Built-in flashlight. A rare extra in this price range and surprisingly handy in low light situations. Good battery life. Lasts between 5 and 7 days with normal use and up to 30 days in power saving mode. Sports modes. Offers multiple training options like walking, cycling and running, though without built-in GPS. Health sensors. Tracks heart rate, blood oxygen and blood pressure with accuracy that's in line with other watches at this price point. Customization. You can change watch faces and personalize settings through the app. On-wrist notifications. See messages and call alerts directly on the display. Cons. Where it could improve. No built-in GPS. Relies on your phone's GPS to track routes. Not a big deal if you always have your phone with you, but a downside for some users. No message or call replies. You can view notifications, but you can't respond directly from the watch. Limited Bluetooth range. Stable at short distances, but may disconnect if you move too far away or if there's interference. Sensor accuracy could be better. Like most budget smartwatches, health readings are not 100% accurate and should be taken as approximate references. As you can see, the HT26 delivers a lot of value for its price, but it also comes with some of the typical limitations you would expect from an entry-level smartwatch. The HT26 typically sells between $15 and $30, depending on the seller and any discounts available. That puts it firmly in the entry-level category, competing with other affordable, lesser-known brands. We'll leave links to the best deals we found in the video description. Overall, the HT26 is a budget-friendly, functional smartwatch with a rugged design. It's not the most advanced option out there, but for the price, it offers interesting features like a built-in flashlight, solid battery life, and decent notification support. I'd recommend it if you want an affordable watch with basic health tracking, a decent display, and good autonomy. I wouldn't recommend it if you need GPS, very accurate health sensors, or the ability to respond to messages directly from your wrist. It's a great option for everyday wear, light workouts, or even as a first smartwatch without spending much. Also, a good choice if you want something durable without worrying about a high price tag. So, what do you think of this smartwatch? Would you buy it or would you go for another option? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one.